Hello friends, myself Meet Soni and this is my project 0 for CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. So I choose the topic of online jewelry store for my project 0 and I created 4 HTML pages as per requirement, and additionally I also created CSS and SCSS file to style my HTML pages. So let's see, this is my home page. It's include menu. There is 4 tab: home, about us, product and contact us. And there is one image, welcome text and one table which gives the price of various categories. So now let's see about us page. In the about us page I used a media query in the title and I created one text which gives the information about the online store. Additionally, I also use the link. I also create a link of contact us page at the end of the text. So let's see the media query, how it's work. So when I shrink this page, the title will be changed. So let's see. So title is online jewelry store, and when I release it, the title is welcome to online jewelry store. So it is the responsive. So I use this media query. Now let's see the contact us page. In the contact us page I use various division for my taxing, and I use one form. Also I use the bootstrap component button. So this is my contact us page. So now let's see the last page, product page. In this product page I used bootstrap grid. As per requirement I use the bootstrap grid. So this is my 4 HTML pages with various CSS style. So let's see about the coding section. So friends, this is my coding section and I use VS Code for my coding, and there is 4 HTML pages and 2 CSS pages. So let's see home.html page. I link the CSS file at the head. Now let's see the body section. In the body section I use unordered list for my menu. I use image tag and the table that I created for pricing. Now let's see about us page. In the about us page, as per home page I use unordered list for menu and the paragraph tag to give the information about the jewelry store, and at the end of the tag I use the hyperlink to link the contact us page. So now let's see the contact us page. In the contact us page I use division and form tag. I created a form and one button from the bootstrap component. So now let's see the store.html. In the store.html page I created bootstrap grid. So now let's see the CSS file. In the CSS file I use descending selector, then ID selector, class selectors, element selectors, all the requirement selector that I used, and this is the media query. So let's see the SCSS file that I used for the contact us page. and in this SCSS file I use variable and nesting. So this is SCSS file which is converted to CSS file. So this is the CSS file of the SCSS file. So that's it. This is my coding section for my project 0. Thank you.